Good morning. Good morning.
It's now 8:25. Last weekend was April's birthday. She turned 23.
23?
Everybody say happy birthday. Oh, they also didn't know. Remember how we had that vlog about her looking at Jeep? She finally went and got her Jeep.
Oh, they don't know?
No, we haven't really made a vlog about it. So, this is more.
Yes, you guys, Benji is 2 months old, almost 3. It's my baby. It's my son.
I'm gonna show you guys the outside, the exterior of it, but it'll probably be dirty by the time we get on the road.
Especially all the slugs, Georgia and all that.
Yeah, but since it was April's birthday, we decided that not the weekend of her birthday, but the weekend after, to take a trip, a 2-day trip to Tampa.
4th of July weekend.
4th of July weekend. Just go out there and have fun. We got an Airbnb down there, so we're actually on the road. I don't know if you can hear, her car is just about the same noise as mine, but I'm gonna head down to Tampa, go to the beach. It says it's supposed to rain, but you know, water don't stop shit. And my parts came in, you guys. The unboxing video will be on the way soon. The only part that hasn't came in yet was a flex fuel kit from DSX Tuning. I already talked to the people who I ordered it from. They said it takes a little while to make the harness for it to come from 93 to E85. So, you know, once all that get here, I'll probably do, I'm gonna do 2 different unboxings for you guys, just so you guys can get content. But yeah, and I'm trying to still decide when I want to put it on, because mid-April I'm moving, and that's a whole nother $1,000 almost to install it on the car and get it tuned and everything. So keep you guys updated, my man.
No, shut down your clutch class.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get it fitted. Fuck it. Anyways, so instead of getting all the car footage of driving, I just gave you guys a quick little, we're here, you know, we film. So we finally made it, and we gotta show you April's Jeep, man. I haven't showed you guys.
Yeah.
Come on, get out. Let's show them.
Show them my son.
Come on, get out.
Show them my son.
Come on, get out.
You show them.
Yeah. So man, it's a little dirty, but this is April's Jeep. Got the black on black Jeep. Go ahead, stun on me. It's her Jeep. Huh? Oh yeah, she cut her hair too, man. So much happened. Like I told you guys, life just been. Let me show you. Face ass. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, she got the black on black Jeep. Tinted windows, everything.
Thank God it rained on the way there, because this car would have been
Dirty.
filthy.
Yeah, this is my new daily driver, you guys. Let's go. Jeeps actually aren't that bad on gas. Damn, shawty.
Yep. Something's still open.
Me.
And they're driving like they.
That's why I'm saying record these roosters.
It's a cock. It's called a cock. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Suck me cock. Suck me cocks. You like me cock?
There's another one right here. What the fuck?
Oh, my cocks everywhere. Look at my cocks.
Or something right here.
Where my food is?
It's dark, so I don't know how to. Cause the light's behind you.
Boy, bye.
Bye.
I got a shoe palace. It's pretty lit. What happens when you don't wear condoms? You end up with one of these. This is birth control, people. Birth control.
Alright, bet. Fuck you too. Fuck out my face. Oh, sorry for my profanity.
What the fuck?
Oh! Bye!
Take a picture.
Hold on.
I already know what time it is. Yep. It's time to hit you. We out, but we drunk. But they can't see that. Short to me like here.
Wait, can I finish my drink?
Chug that shit, homeboy. Come on, bro. We're attached to a mall. We'll be in the mall. Little kids at the little kids at the fucking kid court, little kiddie court, kick one of them in the head and they get in the way. They ain't never. Them motherfuckers were wild, okay? They ain't never bonus points though. Period. Buying a Tesla. You touching?
It's a generator.
Spell generator.
G-N-E-R-A-T-O-R.
Yup, we gone.
T-O-R.
She drunk.
Look at the donkey.
Can I go play with him? Can I go play with him? We finna head back to the the Airbnb.
The what?
The Airbnb. Chicago Bears B&B. Yep. And yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're trying to swim, but the weather isn't looking too promising. Says the person that can't swim.
You gonna teach me, right?
That's what we did. Oof. Hold up. Bye. Yeah, we finna chill for a little bit. Then decided we're going out later. I brought the PlayStation. Jesus Christ, there's a lot of outlets. Brought the PlayStation. Probably finna watch Stranger Things. Catch up on that, man. It's a great fucking show, bro. Stranger Things. Oh my God, I just saw lightning and it's like the size of Jesus. Time to go in the house.
What'd you say?
Lightning was big as fuck. That's a good airs a year. Hey guys, recording live from the pool.
We're live from the VIP.
Okay. It's our last day. We have fun at Piranha. They pronounce it not Piranha down here. We pronounce it Piranha. You know Florida people can't really read.
You just like the same thing all the time.
I know, but that's how they pronounce it. So that's.
You just said it.
Anyways. Yeah. We had a good time last night. I'm distracted because she got on a too small bathing suit.
It's not too small, it's a medium. Shout out to all my big chested girls out there.
Big headed girls.
They know the struggle.
Big headed girls. But yeah, let's finish our swim and then we're gonna be on the way back. I'm free. The M free. It ain't free though. It's more. It's like Florida, man. Sunny 1 second, raining cats and dogs to the next 2. Couldn't try this burger spot called Burger Pie. Sounds good. Huh?
You call me Puerto Rican, my nigga? Pinche pendejo. The Nipsey Boo. My poor Benji doesn't belong here. I'm sorry. Well, I don't see a Jeep gang, which isn't fair.
Yeah, but we don't know if we want to park right there for sure. They might tow it away. Yeah. I don't know. Let me ask. Illegal shit. Look, he got that nice tires on the back. The M3. Okay. like that. Slam 370 over there. Nice Evo. It's gutted too. Slow troll. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I was.
So
Yes.
you know whose car this is?
No. He's probably gentleman's Florida. I can ask Gabriel if you know who it is. But it's crazy. Look at the Tesla. The Tesla's showing off the engine. Okay. That's my first time ever seeing a Tesla engine. Ever. Ever. Right-hand drive drift car.
What is this?
Okay. It looks a lot better than the ones you see, right? Then that's a Demon. You got the splitter on the front, that's why. Then it's a Demon right here. You say pimp my Tesla. Pimp your Tesla.
Pimp my Tesla.
You got a bag though. What's that?
Oh, you too cool. Too cool.
You got a Supra. You got an NSX. You got a GTR. This is crazy. RX-7, GTR. This how I was gonna get my Evo. Excuse me. Cops down here, they eating. It's crazy. This is nowhere near slow. This is nowhere near slow. 5-star racing Hornets.
But usually bullies, you purchase them
We finally made it back to Georgia, to my parents' house to be exact. We're gonna end this video here, but I do want to show you guys something before I fully end it. You know, we had a good time in Florida. Always a good time whenever we travel. And yeah, we definitely gonna take the car back down there, well, my car, back to another event whenever they have one. Move. Wanna say hey to YouTube? Say hey YouTube.
Say hey, YouTube. Say it like a big boy.
Tell your song. Got the horses in the back.
You always talking about something. Hi, welcome to my channel, really.
But yeah, I just want to show you guys something real quick. And yeah.
Say hey.
Let me show you.
So we got some parts of the cat. Not a cat, but there's the box of the. What is this? Is this one of the cylinders? Yes, it is. There it is. All polished and silk. Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, ghetto hood Ghostbusters.
Okay, I'll just wait till you get that part.
Yeah. Already.
No.
Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get everything installed whenever the. Is he saying P? I'm gonna try to get everything installed when the flex fuel kit gets here. I already got quoted for the tuning and the dyno tune and the installation. Yeah. Stop. Well, thank you guys for. Why are y'all all staring at me, man? Like, look, just 1, 2, 3. Like, yeah. You don't like it on y'all. Thank you guys for watching, man. See y'all. Have a good day. God bless, man.